Hello, in this video I will show you how to buy Floki coin on Coinbase. Now it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is just simply go to your browser, then open your Coinbase right over here, and then open a decentralized application from Coinbase website. Now you can do this from the website or the Coinbase wallet. Both of the options are available. But if you want to do this directly, what you can do is just simply search for a website called uniswap.org and then simply open the first website right over here. Now once we'll do that, just simply click on launch app. You can launch the exact application from your Coinbase website and wallet as well. Now once that is done, make sure to connect your Coinbase account or wallet right over here. So let me disconnect it first, and then all you have to do is just simply click on connect, then Coinbase wallet, then a pop-up will appear over here. All you have to do is click on connect and then connect both of the wallets. Now once that is done, you should have some amount of crypto in your wallet. Then just simply choose the crypto, and then after that just simply search for the crypto that you want to buy, which is going to be Floki. Now as you can see, this is the crypto right over here. So just simply click on it. Now just simply enter the amount, how much you want to buy. Let's say for example I want to buy Floki for 0.02 USDT, and that will show you how much Floki you will be buying, and will also show the worth that you will be getting for, as you can see right over here. Now if you have decent amount of balance, you can just simply click on swap right over here and complete the transaction with your debit card or credit card or any other payment method that will be available right over here. Once you do that, your Floki coin will be available into your Coinbase account right over here and into your wallet as well. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.